Hey guys, if you're dropshipping on eBay, you might be losing money and sales every single day without even realizing it. Most beginners spend all their time searching for winning products, but they completely ignore the basic settings of their store. Today, I will share with you 3 basic eBay hacks. These are things top sellers use to protect their store visibility and make more profit per sale. Stick until the end to see why hack number 3 is actually the main reason your listings might not be getting any views right now. But first, let's start with hack number 1, out of stock feature. We have all experienced this. You have a great product, it is getting sales, but suddenly it goes out of stock on Amazon. What do most people do? They manually end the eBay listing. But this is a huge mistake, because when the item comes back in stock and you list it again, you lose all your sales history. eBay treats it as a brand new item and you start at the bottom of the search results. Here is what you should do instead. Go to your eBay account settings, click on Selling Preferences and scroll down to Multi-Quantity Listings. There is a toggle that says Listings stay active when you're out of stock. Turn that on. Now when your item hits 0 quantity, eBay just hides it from buyers. But the algorithm remembers your sales history. The second you change your quantity back to 1, your listing pops up right back to its top spot. It takes 10 seconds to turn that on and it saves your rankings. Quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful so far, take a second to smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Thank you so much, and now let's get back to making more profit. Hack number 2 is volume pricing. Let's say you're selling cheap item for $15 and after fees your profit is tiny $2. You cannot just raise the price because your buyers will simply buy from your competitors. So the solution is to use eBay's volume pricing tool. You can find this in your Seller Hub under the Marketing tab. You simply set up a promotion like buy 2 items, get 5% off. And here is the simple math why this works so well. When you do this and a buyer orders 2 items, you give them small discount, but you simply pay for 1 Amazon shipping. And that makes the profit margin of the second item huge. But even if shipping is free and you are not paying for it out of pocket, you are still extracting the maximum value from every single buyer by giving them this option. Plus, here is a secret bonus. Many Amazon sellers actually offer their own volume discounts. This means the 5% discount you are offering to your eBay buyers is often completely covered from the discount you receive from Amazon when you buy the 2 items. And even if the Amazon seller is not offering a discount, you will always walk away with a bigger overall profit when your customer takes advantage from your volume pricing. You are simply making more money from a single customer. Hack number 3 is mastering item specifics. I mentioned earlier that this is the main reason why your listings are invisible, and this is totally true. Have you ever wondered why someone has hundreds of sales on the exact same product while you have none? It usually comes down to item specifics. When buyers shop on the eBay mobile app, they do not just scroll forever through thousands of results. They narrow it down. They use the filters on the side of the screen to choose the exact brand, size, color or material they want. And this is where most dropshippers get lazy. They only fill out the required fields with the red little star and just type does not apply for all the optional details. Listen, the eBay search algorithm is designed to match exactly what the buyer is clicking. If a buyer applies filter for color black and material metal and you left those fields empty, your listing will immediately disappear from the search result of the buyer. You could have the absolute best price on the platform, but the buyer will never see your item. By taking just an extra 20 seconds to fill out every single optional field, you are basically hacking the eBay's algorithm. It tells eBay exactly what you're selling. It pushes you past the lazy sellers, and it guarantees you stay visible at the exact moment a buyer is ready to pay. It is literally the easiest way to get free, highly targeted traffic to your store. Now let's talk about something exciting. If you already use Trackerbot, you know how important conversion credits are, so feel free to skip 10 seconds forward. But if you're new, let me explain it simply. Conversion credits are the internal currency on our Trackerbot platform. When you dropship from Amazon, they often give you TBA tracking numbers. eBay hates TBA numbers because the buyer cannot track them. This leads to angry messages, item not received cases, and eventually eBay might suspend your account. This is exactly where conversion credits step in to save you. You use these credits to exchange those bad TBA tracking numbers into 100% valid trackable numbers using carriers like Aqualine or VDTrack. Your buyer gets a real tracking link, eBay sees a valid shipment, and your account stays perfectly safe. So today, I'm giving away 500 credits to one of you, and we will add them directly to your Trackerbot account. And here is how you can win. First, make sure you have liked this video. Second, leave a comment down below and tell me, what is the biggest dropshipping struggle you are facing right now? I will announce the winner in 10 days. The winner will be posted on our YouTube community tab, but I will announce it first in our official Telegram group. The link to join Telegram is in the description, so make sure you're there to claim your prize. Good luck! That is all for today. Go apply these 3 hacks and watch how your store grows. Make sure to subscribe for more dropshipping tips, and I'll see you in the next video.